As I think about Grand Rapids manufacturing, this is where it all began. I mean, way back with the Rapistan days. And I think about manufacturing here now of AGVs and also bringing in more and more diverse products. I couldn't be more proud of how the Grand Rapids has really changed and diversified over the years.
At Dematic, we work with the best in the industry, from our assemblers, our test track folks, engineers. They're all making a difference.
From day one to now, it's been the same experience. The people are great. Watching teams really flourish and solve customer needs and problems, and having the safety first culture, it's been tremendous. Ultimately, it's really the ability to deliver what the customer needs, wants, on time, and with quality.
When I see an AGV go out the door, it feels like we're doing our part to keep the world moving.